Okay, this one is distance learners grade 8 English language module 1. Okay. Module 1 has 5 units. Okay. In the first semester, you are expected to cover unit 1 up to 5 in the first module. And in the second module, uh, after you complete this module 1, you will also start module 2 from unit 6 up to 10. In these module assessment methods, there are various assessment techniques like self-test exercise, activities, assignments, and at the end of the unit, review questions are prepared. These are the assessment mechanisms. And let me introduce you this key of the module symbols. When you see this one, it means introduction. This one, learning objectives. When you see this one, listening skills. And this one, speaking skills, reading skills, writing, activities to be done, checklist, self-test and assignment questions, notes to be taken, reading attention, unit summary, and answer for the exercises. መሀል መሀል ላይ እንደዚህ አይነት ሲምቦሎችን ስታዩ ክሊር እንዲሆንላችሁ ነው። ይሄ ሲምበልስ ኦር ኢሜጅ ስፒክ ላውደር ዛን ወርድስ የሚባል ነገር አለ። ከቃላትም ሲምበሎች ፋስት ኮሚኒኬት ማድረግ ይችላሉ ይባላል። ለዛ ነው እነዚህ ሲምቦሎች ያሉት። ቀጥታ ወደ ዩኒት ዋን ስንገባ under unit 1 the title says economic activities in rural areas. Economic activities in rural areas. What do you think? አሁን ወደ ውስጥ ከመግባታችን በፊት ኢኮኖሚክ አክቲቪቲዎች ሩራል ኤሪያ ላይ ምንድን ነው ብላችሁ ታስባላችሁ? What are those economic activities? For example, the most common one, farming. አይደል? ይሰማል?
ይሰማል። እኛ ማይካችንን ሚዩት አድርገን ስለነበር ነው አንተን እየሰማን ነው።
አይ ዋን ባይ ዋን ጥያቄዎች ሲኖሩ ስለ ሪያክት ስለምታደርጉ what are those economic activities in rural areas? ምን ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ኢኮኖሚያዊ እንቅስቃሴዎች?
Yeah, as you mentioned, one of the main activities I think is farming and harvesting. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah, I think agriculture also one of the main business or income activities in rural area.
Yeah, agriculture is considered as farming. Farming አለ ሌላ
Yeah.
mining, mining.
Yes.
What mining
Yes.
is one of the economic activity. Fishing, fishing.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, these are some of the economic activities in rural areas. ዋናው አሁን ይሄ እንደ ታይትል እንደ ዩኒቱ ታይትል ይሁን እንጂ በዚህ ውስጥ ላይ ላንጉዌጁን ነው የምትማሩት ማለት ነው። you will learn language, the grammar, the four macro skills. The four macro skills are listening. ሁሉም ዩኒቶች ላይ listening አለ. There is speaking, there is writing, and also there is reading. For the four skills are available. Not only that, but also
Okay.
there are vocabulary matter, there are grammars. Okay, we will see these all things. Okay, so at the end of this unit, you will be able to, the first one, to read a text and identify main ideas. Reading. The second one, transfer information from a reading text to a table. Three,
Mhm.
use words to describe economic activities in your village. Four, describe your daily routines in simple present tense. Five, write 5 sentences about the main economic activities in your area. እነዚህ አምስቱ ሀሳቦች የዚህ ዩኒት ኦብጀክቲቮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። እነዚህን ነው አቺቭ የምታደርጉት በዚህ ዩኒት ላይ እነዚህን ኦብጀክቲቮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ when we come to the section 1 listening to the listening part of course እዚህ ላይ listening ማቴሪያል የለም። ምንድን ነው የምታደርጉት here dear student in this section you are invited to listen different media like radio, television, news, interviews, recorded audio, tape, and others in English to get more information and improve your listening skills. Okay. So you have to practice listening to the radio, television, news, interviews, recorded audio tape, and others, even English songs, English preachings. በእንግሊዝኛ ስትለማመዱ በጣም ይጠቅማቸዋል። ዝማሬዎችን፣ ስብከቶችን፣ የተለያዩ ዜናዎችን በእንግሊዝኛ የሚተላለፉ መልእክቶችን መስማት አንዱ ለኢምፕሩቭመንት ጠቃሚ ነው። ይህንን ነው የምለው ሞጁሉ then under activity point 1 the first activity in this unit it says read the following words and phrases and study their meanings. The first one, average national income, contributes, forest. Okay, what are their meanings? 10 ደቂቃ ውስጥ ላይ ይዘጋል እንትን እያለ ነው። 10 ደቂቃ ውስጥ ይዘጋል እያለኝ ነው። ተመልሰን እንቀጥላለን። እሺ ዋርኒንግ እየሰጠኝ ነው እዚህ።
ኦኬ ችግር የለውም።
ብቆም እንኳን ተመልሰን ከእንደገና እንገባለን። ኦኬ what does
ነው።
this mean? Average national income መቼ ነው ይሄ የሚባለው? አቨሬጅ ናሽናል ኢንካም የሚባለው መቼ ነው? ሞክሯ። ናሽናል ሲባል ሀገራዊ ነው። የሀገር ሀገራዊ ነው። አቨሬጅ
Yes. I think one is mining, maybe.
ኦኬ አቨሬጅ ናሽናል ኢንካም የሚባለው አጠቃላይ የሀገሪቷ ምጣኔ የኢኮኖሚ ምጣኔ ማለት ነው። ያም
Okay.
ለእያንዳንዱ ሲቲዝን ተካፍሎ የሚመጣ the total income of a country divided by each citizen
Oh, yeah.
ልክ ጂዲፒ
Yeah.
እንደሚባለው ማለት ነው።
Yeah.
Contribute means
I think $700 per person መሰለኝ I think የኢትዮጵያ እንትን ይመስለኝ
የኢትዮጵያ
as I'm informed
ስንት?
የኢትዮጵያ እንደዛ ይመስለኝ I think $750 per person ይመስለኛል።
$700 ይደርሳል ብለህ ነው? ይደርሳል እንዴ?
I think ባለፈው ዕዳውን ነው መሰለኝ ያለው
እያንዳንዱ ኢትዮጵያዊ ስንት ዶላር ነው ዕዳ አለ ቢካፈል ይደርሳል የተባለው?
I think ዕዳውን ነው ያዝኩት ማለት ነው $750
አዎ የዕዳው ለእያንዳንዱ የሚደርሰው
እንደዛ ይመስለኛል። I think
መቶ
በዚህ ጊዜ ይሄ ነው የኛ ኢንካም የምንለው ነገር
163.7 ቢሊዮን ዶላር ነው በ2023። ይህንን ለ130 ሚሊዮን ማካፈል ነው ማለት ነው።
ያለንን ጂዲፒ ማለት ነው።
ያ አሁን አጠቃላይ የኢትዮጵያ ጂዲፒ 163.7 ቢሊዮን ዶላር ነው። ይህንን ለእያንዳንዱ ዜጋ ማካፈል ከዛ የሚደርሰው ኦኬ ያ ማለት ነው። ኮንትሪቢዩት ማለት የሆነ ሼር ኦር ጊቭ የሚያደርግ ኮንትሪቢዩት ሼር የሚያደርግ አስተዋጽኦ ማለት ነው። አስተዋጽኦ ማድረግ ኮንትሪቢዩት አስተዋጽኦ ማድረግ። ፎሬስት this is a large number of trees የነዚህ ምንድነው ዓላማው ምንድነው? ወርድን ወይም ፍሬዝን ዲፋይን ማድረግ ቃልን በቃል ዲፋይን ማድረግን ለመለማመድ ነው። ፎሬስት means a large number of trees. Contribute means just sharing or giving. Okay. Now there are 5 words here: fishing, planting, farming, sewing or stitching. ይሄ ማለት ስፌት ላይ ሲዊንግ ኦር ስቲችንግ ስፌት ላይ የሚሰሩ ሰዎች፣ ማይኒንግ ወርቅ አካባቢ ላይ በቁፋሮ የሚሰሩ ማዕድናትን ያመለክታል። ስለዚህ እዚህ ፒክቸሮች አሉ። match the pictures with the descriptions below. Here under picture A, what are they doing? Farming. Excellent. Under picture B,
planting.
Yes, planting. They are planting trees. Picture C,
fishing.
Yeah, fishing. Picture D, መኪና ምናምን የሆነ ምናምን ይዘዋል።
Sewing
or stitching. ፒክቸር ኢ የለም እዚህ ላይ። ፒክቸር ኢ ኢንስትራክሽኑ ላይ እስከ ፒክቸር ኢ ይላል፣ ግን ፒክቸር ኢ የለም። የቀረው የየትኛው ነው ማለት ነው? የማይኒንግ ፒክቸር የለም ማለት ነው። the next task or activity, matching the types of economic activities with the descriptions. For example, the first one, manufacturing. Here manufacturing means
I think it's B. It is being used to construction and manufacturing.
Used in construction and manufacturing.
Manufacturer. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Mining.
B, and I mean mining is A.
Mining.
It
Yes.
is a process of getting minerals.
Excellent. Fishing. Fishing.
I think it's E. It is begin
Yes. E.
practice site and freshwater lakes. Yeah.
Yeah. It's being practiced in fresh water lakes. Planting.
Lakes, yeah. Planting. Okay, planting. It uses water, power, and forest as a main source.
No.
I think it's D. No. Oh, let me see. It includes food and public products. I think,
F. Planting
I
is
think
F. It includes
planting,
food,
food and beverage products. Yes, yeah,
beverage, and products. We plant, like, for
yeah,
example, fruits. If we plant fruits,
yes,
it's food.
yes,
And there are also
yes,
some fruits which are like for beverage, like if we plant apple,
yes. Orange, yeah,
yeah,
apple juice,
yeah,
orange juice.
it's beverage. And
Yes,
energy, oh, sorry, agriculture,
I think
it employs
agriculture.
80% of
It employs 80% of labor force. Yeah,
the labor force.
yeah.
And energy, it uses
Energy, energy.
water
It uses
power.
water, power, and for
Yeah,
yes, and forest as the main source.
yeah. We get energy from water.
Yes,
When we say, for example, forest, um, if we burn it, if we burn forest, we get energy. For example, charcoal. Charcoal we
yes,
get,
yeah,
is the source of forest. Okay.
yes.
That is hard lesson. Wait, are you by the first page?
Now,
Oh,
under section 2, speaking. Now it's speaking time. Dear student, this section you'll interview some. Okay. 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 Let's